singer and title?
Ambon.
Ambon?
Ambon, yeah.
Ambon. So saan kinuha yung, saan kinuha yung title?
I just wrote the song and then I just used the rain as a metaphor for a failing relationship. Parang ganun.
Bakit mo naisip na metaphor ang rain, Nigo?
Well, when it's raining, diba, sometimes the mood is gloomy, walang sun, so you can't do anything except be inside. So parang I use it as a metaphor for being in isolation or loneliness. So parang ganun.
And usually, pag ang rain ina-associate sa mood, sa malungkot na pakiramdam, na emosyon, ikaw ba basically malungkotin ka ng tao?
Hindi naman lang. Lagi ba ako? Hindi naman.
Tawa siya.
Kasi yung first single mo, Lumalamig, medyo di
Malungkot
ba?
din. Ngayon naman, Ambon.
Oo.
Yung second naman, love song.
Love song.
Hanggang ngayon, yeah. But this one's quite different from the others. Kind of aggressive when you hear the song. Mamayang buwan, 12 midnight, sound 12 midnight, so we're very excited.
Who composed it?
I've composed it.
You did.
So yung, Nigo, usually, meron ka pa pinagdaan ng medyo malungkot na aspeto ng buhay mo, kaya doon ka humugot ng lyrics ng Ambon.
May na naman.
Tulad na, can you share something?
Probably a breakup, a bad breakup.
So single ka ngayon.
Yes, actually.
Nag-break na kayo ng girlfriend mo?
Yes. Single na ako.
Sa London, she was there, di ba?
I don't know, she wasn't there.
Gaano katagal kayo bago kayo nag-break?
How long we were together? I think like 6 years.
Wow!
Yes.
O bakit kayo nag...
Grabe.
If you
Hindi
don't mind
inabot na
sharing,
7 years, ano
If you don't mind sharing, ba't kayo nag-break?
We always, that's actually the theme of the song. That's why I'm okay with talking about it right now. Kasi the song's about always, a failing relationship is lagi, hindi na kayo nagkakasundo, lagi kayo nag-aaway. Like, parang ganun lang.
So yung kinampose mo ba na song to related dun sa past relationship mo, in a way?
In a way, yeah. Pero I think I wrote that song na I was in that relationship.
Ay, hindi
With
pa
the
kayo break.
Ambon, the Ambon.
Naalala ko ba? Actually, it's kasama pa rin.
Are you friends, Migo?
With,
Nung the girls?
no, we're not.
Oh, so wala nang
But she was our
chance.
classmate back then.
So wala nang chance.
Wala nang chance.
So,
Nakakatawa.
and si
Did she
what's your
listen to the
name
song?
What?
Did she listen to the song already?
I don't know if she listened to the song.
Andun daw siya
Probably before
mamaya.
because we performed the song long ago actually. Our song.
You're the vocalist and the guitarist. Drummer, tama ba?
Guitarist.
Guitarist and vocals. Ikaw, Justin.
The backup vocals, lead guitarist.
Okay. So, how did you meet ni Migo?
We were classmates sa San Beda.
San Beda. And then, how, nung narinig mo yung, nung sinabi ni Migong gagawin niya yung Ambon, anong naging reaction mo? Ikaw mukhang masayahing tao ka.
And then, sinabi niya yun, wala lang, go with the flow lang. Kung nung ginagawa namin yun, kung ano na lang, actually may structure na siya. Tapos, nag-isip na lang kami ng mga parts namin. So, medyo madali lang.
The truth is he doesn't care.
You're still trio. You're still trio? Ano yung nagdagdagan ng band?
We're a trio, but we perform sometimes 4, sometimes 5. We have JP tonight playing keyboards for us.
Our drummer.
Our drummer, Joyd. Joyd, come here.
Tapos
The
Migo,
drummer
of
is
course,
here.
most people know, anak ka ni Attorney Ray na parte naman ng Inner Voices. How does it feel na your dad, who is also a musician, is very supportive of your show, music career?
It feels very good kasi actually he's very supportive from the outside naman. Kasi he doesn't know what we're gonna release next, so he doesn't know that. He's just updated kung what's our gig. The small things. I think the inspiration from him comes more from the work ethic, honestly. Not the music, kasi iba-iba yung music namin as you guys know.
Napakinggan ng dad mo ang Ambon.
Yes,
What was his reaction?
I think he liked it. Naalala mo nung-
Actually, nung ginagawa namin ang band, pumunta siya sa studio, nagsuggest siya ng mga artist na pwede namin idagdag sa song.
Ayun nga, parang ganyan yung story. Kasi we were, parang sa 19 kami noon and then we said, I think we need another original song. So I wrote that song very quickly and then we played it sa studio and then my dad heard it. He was on the other room kasi yung studio namin is sa near his room. So maririnig na ko ng ginagawa namin lagi. So he heard it and then he went inside and suggested some changes or some structure, di ba? Parang ganun. Because he actually liked the song. And then, but that was a long time ago. If you think about it, that song has been like, I don't know, 2 years? 2 years old? 3 years? 3 years old. So,
Best advice sa'yo ng dad mo?
regarding life or music?
Music muna.
Music muna. Yeah, it's a very hard business. So, be ready for rejections. It's not gonna be easy. Pero yun lang din naman. So, you'll have hard times.
About life.
About life, ang dami. But probably, do what I want. Don't do something
Do
na...
you?
Yeah, I do what I want.
How about bashers?
About bashers? May mga bashers ba tayo?
Meron man, normal lang.
Kasi ano nga name mo?
You're a drummer.
Joe Edgar the drummer.
Justin is the other one, no?
Justin.
Yeah, the other one, Mugi.
Siya na yung bago.
So tatlo lang kayo sa band. Tatlo lang kayo sa
So, you can't
group.
play anymore.
Sa graduate school siya.
Oh yeah, nag-aaral na siya. It's trying to be alone.
Alam mo, ikaw ba yung magaling mag-drums dati sa 1980s?
Ay, iba po yun.
Mugi yun, di ba?
Wala na yun.
Wala na.
Sabi mo kasi.
So parang ikaw new addition to the group.
Yes.
So, on it.
And your name is?
Joel.
So anong feeling para ikaw newbie in the group?
At first kasi nung in-approach kasi ako ni Justin, hindi ako makapaniwala nun. And konti lang yung knowledge ko sa kanila nun. But nakasabay ko na sila sa mga past gigs. And then nung nagkakasama-sama na kami, medyo na-feel ko yung pressure kasi yun nga, nabanggit nga nila na yung dating drummer nila is malupit. Ayun. So it's a challenge for
Pressure.
me
Hindi ako
Galing mo.
Same school kayo.
Hindi.
Paano ka nagkakilala ni Justin?
Sa isang gig po sa Aromata, sa yung venue po na Aromata.
The former.
Migo, musical influence mo. Dati nasagot mo na sa akin, kailan baka nabago?
Well,
Siya pa rin.
usually hindi naman. The Beatles, John Mayer, Razorheads. Yes, medyo. Razorheads, of course. Pero yun lang It revolves around that. Talaga yung mga inspirations.
Have you performed with your dad?
Tama
Ay, may
With the
video.
brother, with the
Once.
brother.
No,
yes.
pero meron. Ikaw
Yes.
nag-gitara, kinakanta niya yung Take This Love.
Yes,
Ikaw,
yes. I remember.
siya kumakanta, keyboard, ikaw
Nag-keyboard.
nag-gitara, no? Matagal na yun.
Yeah, but that wasn't live recording.
Oo, tapos may nag-post sa YouTube.
Yes, but we played once pala. Sa 1980s. That was long ago. Pero, wala.
Ikaw,
Ano
musical
expectation mo
instrument.
sa Ambon?
I think it will do great, hopefully, kasi, we really worked hard on the song. I think the song's unique. I think the sound of the song, the feel, hindi pa siya naririnig sa OPM right now. So hopefully, we get to share to a lot of people, and we hope na people will understand the song, deeply understand it in terms of related to themselves.
Ikaw, ano yung gusto mong iparating dun sa mga tao tungkol dun sa Ambon? Ano yung pinaka-personal message mo about that song nung ginawa mo yan? Ano yung gusto mong maramdaman nila?
Pag galit ka, pwede mo ilagay yung galit mo sa bagay na pwedeng maging maganda. Like a song.
Tama, tag-ulan ngayon.
Yes, kaya we actually released it ngayon. Plana natin yun.
Oo, tama. Ano
What's
yun?
next after Ambon?
Actually, the truth is, we don't know. Kasi
So there's no song in the offing?
we have lots of songs. We're about to start recording again.
Bagyo.
You said it.
After ng Ambon. Pero ano bang, pang ilang song na yung Ambon?
That's the third single.
Third single.
What were the first two nga?
Lumalamig went first.
Lumalamig.
Yes.
Pangalawa?
Hanggang ngayon is just second.
Ano na yung pangalawa?
Hanggang ngayon.
Hanggang ngayon.
But you didn't launch it, you did?
We did.
Yung hanggang ngayon,
Makati.
yung lumalamig, alam namin.
Oh, we were there, di ba?
I remember.
Oo.
Sa Landos.
Oo.
So susunod bagyo na. After Ambon.
Pwede.
Tornado.
May ulan na pala, no?
Meron na.
Bawal na yun.
Hindi, and next to El Nino.
Lalo
Oh,
sa
yun.
Spring
La Nina, pwede din.
Ayun. Kung merong artist that you want to collaborate with this Ambon, at sino yung gusto niyo
Or
makakolaborate?
any song.
Or any song that you want to collaborate?
Sino ba? Ako si Baku eh.
Bamboo.
Wow, Bamboo.
Siguro siya na, Ira Cruz.
Ira
Saan
Cruz.
nga siya?
Steve?
Bamboo.
Nandito pa rin
Bamboo
siya?
Bamboo din.
Ikaw sa drummer.
Nakadepende na sa akin, sila yung kakanta.
Hindi, yung gusto mo syempre.
Wala akong maisip, madami kasi. Singer po ba?
Hindi, kahit sino.
Kahit sino.
Pwedeng
Ah.
jamming mo sa drums.
Brixton Ruiz. Yes.
Saan siyang band?
Session
Session player.
Session siya.
Drums din siya.
Yes.
Okay.
Invite everyone
Yes.
the release of Ambon.
Okay, everyone please, if you can come later sa single launch ng Ambon, and if you can please stream the song. It's coming out 12 midnight tonight, technically May 22, 2026. And pwede nyo pa i-pre-save, it's not too late. Yung mga links sa page namin. It's The Sonnets on FB, The Sonnets_PH on IG, and TikTok na.
TikTok, the Sonnets PH. Yan. Makikita nyo din yung mga kalokohan namin.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys.
Good luck. Congratulations.